everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss how to reverse a string using Python programming language and also how to check if a string is palindrome or not. Palindrome is a word that reads the same backward or forward, and reversing a string means to produce a new string where the characters are in the opposite order of original string. To begin, you need to take a string input from the user by using input of function. And to store the reversed string, we have to initialize another variable with an empty string. R equals empty string. To reverse the string, use a loop that iterates through the string in reverse order. For that, we need the length of the string, that is L equals length of S. That is len of S is the function used to find the length of string. So use a for loop for iterating from the last character to first character of the string. So in range of L minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Here the range generates indices from the last character to the first character. In each iteration, append the current character to the variable r. R plus equals S of I. Then the final result of R after the loop finishes is the reverse of the string, that is string reverse string S is R. Now let's go to palindrome of string. So to check if a string is palindrome or not, we can just check if the string and the reversal of the string is equal or not. So if S equals R, and the string is palindrome. Print not palindrome. So let's run the program once. Okay, the string is hello all and the reversed string is LLA or LLEH. This is not a palindrome. Let's check with the palindrome string. Okay, Malayalam is a palindrome and the program says it is palindrome itself. So this is the program for check a string is palindrome or not and reverse a string. Thank you all.